Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video.
I guess it could have ended worse.
Yeah.
This tow truck driver almost caused an accident. Another clip of a dumb driver in my city. I think nobody is safe in my neighborhood.
No. Oh my God, what are you doing?
This is one of the worst spots in our capital. I guess this driver is drunk.
A few moments later.
Holy shit! Oh my God! 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 You okay?
This idiot merges 2 lanes over without checking and almost crashes into me. Who threw a smoke grenade here? He was just pulling up to visit my father-in-law's grave with my wife. When your life flashes before your eyes.
20 minutes later.
God damn it! Oh my God! Are you fucking retarded?
Oh, he's like, that was the money side too. The lane ended.
Where's beeping?
Because he's being a dumb butt.
Look at him cutting across people now.
This guy cut off several people just to get to a gas station.
Holy.
Here's a Karen leaving zero space for me to get around and then yelling at me for not backing up.
A few moments later.
I feel bad for people who buy a fully equipped car and don't even use the mirrors.
Freaking knob gobbler.
Yesterday, a Mercedes driver slammed into an NYPD car. Then cops tried to smash into the car after getting blocked in.
God damn. Yo, what the fuck? No!
He's like,
Yo!
that just happened so quick.
Yo, that was crazy. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
'This girl, distracted by a phone, took flight after hitting my parked trailer.
Twenty minutes later.
I don't think they know what braking is. Why wait when you can cut someone off and almost cause an accident? Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.